Struggling to stay organized? These five powerful planner apps are helping millions manage their schedules, crush their goals, and stay productive in 2026. Number 5, we have Structured Daily Planner, a productivity app with a solid 4.4-star rating, over 26,000 reviews, and more than 1 million installs. What makes Structured different? Instead of showing you a giant to-do list, it turns your tasks into a clear visual timeline. So you always know exactly what to do next. Got a busy schedule? You can combine your calendar, tasks, reminders, and notes all in one place. Just add your tasks, assign a time, and watch your day organize itself. One feature users really love is the color-coded planning system. It makes your schedule easier to understand at a glance and helps reduce mental clutter. You can also break big projects into smaller subtasks, set reminders, and even use its AI planning tools to turn ideas into a structured daily schedule. Whether you're a student, professional, entrepreneur, or someone who struggles with staying organized, Structured helps you stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. No surprise, this app has become a favorite for people looking to improve productivity and manage their time more effectively. At number 4, we have TimeTune, schedule planner, rated 4.5 stars with over 90,000 reviews and more than 5 million installs. If your to-do list keeps growing but your time keeps disappearing, TimeTune helps you take control using a powerful method called time blocking. Instead of randomly jumping between tasks, you divide your day into focused time blocks for work, study, exercise, or even relaxation. It creates structure, reduces distractions, and helps you stay on track. One of the coolest features is its reusable routine templates. You can build a morning routine once and use it every day without starting from scratch. The app also includes detailed productivity statistics showing exactly where your time goes so you can spot bad habits and improve your schedule. And if you often forget tasks, TimeTune offers customizable reminders with different sounds, vibrations, and alerts to keep you on schedule. Many users, including people managing busy routines or ADHD-related challenges, love it because it makes planning feel simple instead of overwhelming. If you want better focus, stronger habits, and more control over your day, TimeTune is definitely worth checking out. The number 3, we have PlanWiz, daily planner, to-do list, one of the fastest growing productivity apps of 2026. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, over 118,000 reviews, and more than 1 million downloads, it's becoming a favorite for people who want to stay organized without the stress. PlanWiz combines your daily planner, to-do list, journal, notes, calendar, and habit tracker into one clean app. Need to organize your day? Use customizable daily, weekly, and monthly planning templates. Got a busy schedule? The built-in calendar view and time blocking tools help you see exactly where your time is going. And it's not just about tasks. You can keep a journal, write down ideas, track goals, practice gratitude, and even build better habits all in the same place. One standout feature is its ADHD-friendly planning system, designed to help users stay focused and reduce overwhelm. Plus, with over 1,000 aesthetic templates and planner stickers, staying productive actually feels fun. If you want a simple way to manage your goals, routines, and daily life, PlanWiz is definitely worth checking out. Number 2, it's Notion. And there's a reason over 10 million people use it. Imagine replacing your notes app, to-do list, project tracker, and study planner with one powerful workspace. That's exactly what Notion does. Rated 4.6 stars with over 361,000 reviews, it helps you organize everything from daily tasks to major work projects without the usual clutter. Need class notes? Done. Managing a team? Easy. Tracking personal goals? No problem. What really stands out is how quickly you can find information, organize workflows, and keep everything connected in one place. If you're tired of jumping between multiple productivity apps, Notion might be the upgrade you've been looking for. And trust me, the app at number 1 is even more impressive. Finally, number 1, we have To-Do List, schedule planner. And honestly, it's easy to see why millions of people use it every day. With a strong 4.7-star rating and over 10 million downloads, this app is built to keep your life organized without feeling complicated. Need reminders for work, school, appointments, or even birthdays? Just set it once and the app helps you stay on track. What really stands out is the clean design, recurring reminders, calendar view, task priorities, and handy widgets that put your schedule right on your home screen. You can even sync your tasks across devices so your plans stay with you wherever you go. If you are tired of forgetting important things or feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks, this app could be the productivity upgrade you've been looking for. Which planner app would you try first? Let us know below and subscribe for more top apps and productivity tools in 2026.